Compra pure ieri.
Untuk kita, so ya kalau macam apa, kalau kalau. Ya, Pak Kunjar. Dan boleh dia pun sudah.
An install roll the glass size and the brush slates as well.
Entu செய்றேன் ಎಂತ செய்றாங்க நல்ல மழையை கண்டில இல்லையா
11ാമത്തെ ദിവസമാണ് നിങ്ങൾ പറ്റിക്കുന്നത് മനുഷ്യനെ. ഇത്രയും നന്ദികേട് മനുഷ്യൻ കാണിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല ചേട്ടാ. എത്ര നാളുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങളോട് പോളിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ വരാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് ഒരു മാസത്തിന് മണ്ടക്കായി ഇത് പറയാൻ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വരാൻ പറ്റുമോ ഇല്ലയോ അത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി നീ കേട്ടോ. ഇത്രയും നന്ദികേട് കാണിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ചപ്പോഴെല്ലാം പൈസ ആ സമയത്ത് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തിന്റെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണെന്നൊന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞാൽ കൊള്ളാം. നിങ്ങൾ പല രീതിയിലും എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞു
நல்ல வேளை கண்டில சரியான கல்யாண நான் பேசுறது கேக்குது இல்லையா இல்லாட்டி சும்மா இருக்கிறாங்களா மேடம் நான் பேசுறது கேக்குது இல்லையா என்னத்த பேசாம இருங்களா இல்லாட்டி கவரேஜ் பிரச்சனையா கவரேஜ் ட்ராப் ஆகும் கவரேஜ் ட்ராப் ஆகும் கவரேஜ் ட்ராப் ஆகுதா broken tunnel ஒன்றும் இல்லை மேடம் ஓ ஓ ஓ ஓ ஓ ம் சரி சரி மழை பெஞ்சதுனால சாப்பாடு இந்த ம் சாப்பாடு ఇంకా இப்ப நெட்வொர்க்கே மாத்திரு இப்ப கேட்கறது இல்லையா வித்தியாசமா இப்ப நான் நெட்வொர்க் எந்த வித்தியாசம் எந்த வித்தியாசம் கேக்குது கேக்குது இப்ப என்னத வித்தியாசம் கேக்குற ஆடியோ கால் எடுக்கவா ஆடியோ கால் எடுக்கிறேன்
ඕන ගෙනියන්න තියෙනවා.
Okay. Hi everyone. Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about CubiCost 5D beam program. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind participation for today's session. Okay, I think this will be a game changer for your life. Okay. Uh, Before I start, okay, I will show you a little magic. Okay, so CubiCost is one of the most advanced quantity serving software available in the world. Okay, now you guys are ready to learn this CubiCost 5D beam software. Okay, and this will be a great adventure for you all. Okay, so thank you very much again for your kind participation. Okay, so we have, I think, around 67 participants. Okay, so shall we wait for another couple of minutes? Okay, then more people will participate for this one. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, thank you very much again for your kind participation. Okay, so we will start the session with the small magic. Okay, I will share my screen, then I will show you the magic. Okay, so please sit back, relax, and watch. This is the newest technological advancement available for quantity surveyors. Okay, so record your timing. Now, timing is 1:10 p.m. night. Okay, so this is UAE timing. Okay, so 10 minutes past 8. Okay, so record the timing. I will click on new, then I will give a name to this project. Okay, I will give CubiCost 1, then I will select the measurement rule. Okay, so this software is a little bit different from other software available in the world. Okay, so this software is embedded with the measurement rule. Okay, so you can extract all the quantities according to the measurement rule. Okay, so this is the difference between Cubicost and other measurement software available in the world. Okay, I will go with NRM2, then I will click OK, then I will proceed with the quantification. Okay, so now this is a Cubicost software interface. Okay, now time is 8:11. Okay, I will go to Beam project and click on this Beam model. Then I will click on import Revit file. Then I will click on this fold icon. Then I will select a 3D model and click open and click open again. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now I will select the basement flow. Okay, I will click next. Then I will click next again. Then the software will import all the information from this Revit model. Okay, it's still less than 1 minute. Okay, I will click OK again. This is the Revit model. Okay, so you can import a complete Revit model within 1 minute by using this CubiCost 5D beam software. Okay, so this is the beam model. Okay, now I'm going to quantify this. I will click on this quantity and I will click on calculate. I can quantify this beam model by using this calculate function. Okay, now you can see a lot of red color elements here. Okay, what are those red color elements? Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, so these designs, okay, will be done by architects or modelers. Okay, they don't care about the quantification part. Okay, so they model the building, okay, according to their preference. But we are quantity surveyors. Okay, we have to calculate this building by ourselves. Okay, so we have to get accurate quantities. Okay, so the software is intelligent enough to detect these clashes. Okay, so detect these clashes, and the software is intelligent enough to auto correct these clashes. So this is the beauty of CubiCost 5D BIM software comparing to other software available in the market. Okay, now I will show you how to do that. If I go to this partial overlap, and if I click on this wall and double click on this wall, if I click on this ID, you can see this is the location. Okay, this is the location. This particular wall is overlapping with this bottom wall. Okay, you can clearly see this overlapping. Okay, the software is intelligent enough to identify these overlappings. Okay, we call this as clash detection. Okay, this is the only software available in the market with this particular feature. Okay, so after identifying these clashes, okay, the software is intelligent enough to correct these clashes. If I click on this auto process, okay, the software will eliminate the clash. Okay, now you can see no clash. Okay, so this is the beauty of CubiCost 5D software. If I go to this whole overlap, okay, I can see this particular slab is totally overlapping with another slab. Okay, totally overlapping with another slab. And if I click on this for auto process, okay, I can eliminate this clash. Okay, then I can proceed with the quantification. Okay, so this is the beauty of modern quantity surveying. Okay, I spent less than 5 minutes. Okay, and I detected all the clashes and I calculated this building. Okay, so you can see the quantity report like this for column, wall opening, beam, in-situ slab, slab opening, straight flight, room, wall finishes. I have calculated every element. Okay, like this. This is very important. Okay, so we are quantity surveyors. We don't trust these quantities. Random guy came and is telling us, okay, so this is the most advanced quantity surveying software in the world, and he has calculated the quantities of this building. Okay, so why we trust this random guy? Okay, so those are the questions inside your head. Okay, I will resolve those issues one by one. Okay, the software is intelligent enough to revisely check these elements with the quantities. Okay, I will show you how to do it. If you go to this wall and if you click on this particular quantity, okay, so you can revisely check this quantity with the model. Okay, if I click on the quantity, I can see the location. If I click on this quantity, I can see the location. If I click on this quantity, I can see the location. You can trace back your quantities very easily by using this amazing software. Okay, is this enough? Quantity surveyors, is this enough? I don't think so. Okay, we are intelligent quantity surveyors. We don't trust uh, these quantities, right? Okay, so I can revisely check these quantities, but why I can why I have to trust this random guy? Okay, so this is not enough for us. Okay, because we are quantity surveyors, we are intelligent quantity surveyors. Okay, so I will show you few other methods to verify these quantities. Okay, so if I click on this particular wall, okay, if I click on this particular wall, I can go to this view expression. Okay, then you can see this is the length of this particular wall, and this is the height of this particular wall, and this is the thickness of this particular wall, and you can see deducted all opening, deducted into slab. Okay, so you can get the comprehensive quantity breakdown of this particular wall. Okay, if I click on this arrow and click on 3D deduction, I can get get further elaboration. Okay, so this is the original quantity. This is the wall element. This is the wall element, and you can see this is the deducted wall opening, and you can see this is the deducted slab. Okay, so you can get 100% accurate quantity according to the measurement rule by using this amazing software. Okay, is this enough? I don't think so. This is not enough. Okay, so we can have quantities like this. Okay, what is this? Okay, so you can see if I go to wall, I can see a wall volume, and I can see wall concrete formwork. Okay, I can see the wall area. Okay, so this is not enough. We are quantity surveyors. We are more familiar with TDS sheets. Okay, if I go to this report and if I click OK, and if I go to this quantity measurement sheet, I can generate quantity measurement sheet automatically. So this is what you want as quantity surveyor. You can see number, length, width, height, then the volume. We started our quantity surveying journey by preparing TDA sheets, by preparing measurement sheets. Okay, so this is the exact format. You can see this is the element, and you can see the grid reference, and you can see number, length, width, height, and the volume. This is what we want. Okay, so you can get it by using this CubiCost 5D BIM software. I spent less than 10 minutes and I extracted and prepared measurement sheet of a big building. Okay, so this is the beauty of modern quantity surveying, and you can easily export this to an Excel sheet. Okay, can you do this by using PlanShift, Bluebeam, or Costex? Answer is no. This is much more advanced technology than those 2D measurement software. Okay, so this is the next level. Not only this, but also you can compare a couple of 3D models and you can identify additions and omissions. I will show you how to do it. Okay, if you go to this 3D, you can click on add revision and you can calculate this particular model. Okay, again, okay, not only quantification, but also you can conduct variation orders by using this software. Okay, I will teach you everything one by one. Okay, industry is slowly and solidly moving towards building information modeling. Okay, 10 years ago, if you take Malaysia, okay, Costex is the most prominent software there. Okay, after 10 years, there are 170 QS consultants who are using CubiCost software. Okay, more than 500 contractors use CubiCost software in Malaysia. Okay, same thing will same thing will happen to UAE as well. Okay, I will show you with some evidence. Okay, so after clicking on this add revision, you can go to this Revit changes and you can select this revision model and click open and click compare. Okay, can you do this by using Costex? Can you do this by using Revit? My answer is no. Okay, so you can click on next, then you can see the comparison. Okay, so these are the newly added elements. You can identify these newly added elements with the Revit ID. Okay, so this is the beauty of modern quantity surveying. And you can see the deleted items as well. Okay, so these are the deleted items. Not only deleted items, you can identify the modified items separately. Okay, this is very important. If you are a post contract quantity survey, you know the value of this particular function. Okay, then I will click, I have to select. Okay, if you want, you can accept. Okay, you can just select these changes and you can click on accept changes. Okay, if you want, okay, you can keep it as it is. Okay, if you want, you can accept the changes. See, you can accept the changes manually. Okay, this is the beauty of CubiCost. Okay, accept the changes, okay, of these modified elements. deleted elements and added elements, then you can finish your revision. Okay, these are the revit changes. Okay, then you can finish your revision. Okay, then you have to calculate it again. Okay, you have to calculate it again. Then you can generate the revision model, revision POQ automatically. Okay, I will show you how. We've changed quantity. Okay, so you can view the quantities like this. Okay, before revision, after revision, then you can see the changes. See, before revision, after revision, and you can see the changes. Okay, so this is the beauty of CubiCost 5 software. Before revision, after revision, changes. If it is minus, it is omission. If it is a plus, it is addition. Okay, so this is the modern technology you have to get adapted to. Okay, so thank you very much again for your kind participation. I think you have got a very good understanding about the advancement of this technology. Okay, now let me introduce you myself. Okay, so I have separate slide set for it. Okay, so this is me, and some of you have learned from me. Okay, so some of you might have heard about me. I'm the country manager and customer service manager of Clausen in UAE. Okay, and this is my regional representative certificate. Okay, and I have conducted a lot of CPD sessions. Okay, this is one CPD session I have conducted for IIESL UAE. They are the engineering association in UAE. And this is a CPD session for SLQS Oman, okay, back in 2022, okay, and this is CPD session for CyberQS, and this is the first ever BIM competition held in Sri Lanka, okay, so I conducted this BIM competition, and this is lecture for students of University of Moratuwa, okay, so recently I did this lecture, okay, so these are the undergraduates of University of Moratuwa, and this is another CPT session for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka, and this is CPT session, another CPT session for Cyber QS, and this is another one. um, 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 I was a member of IQSSL Toastmasters Club, okay, and I have won a couple of awards for the club, okay, so I improved my communication skills through Toastmaster. Currently, I'm a member of V4U Toastmasters Club, okay, so in UAE, okay, recently I have completed all 5 levels of my first Toastmaster pathway, okay, now I have become distinguished Toastmaster. Okay, now this is a training session conducted for lecturers at University of Moratuwa. Okay, I trained the lecturers of University of Moratuwa. Okay, so it was a great milestone of my career. Okay, so most of them are my mentors. Okay, so I had the privilege to train them with regards to this CubiCost 5 software. And this is physical training for VICM consultants, another training for IJVR. It is a valuation firm in Sri Lanka. And this is physical training for Sunken Overseas. Okay, and this is physical training for Cost Management Services Private Limited Sri Lanka. And you can see Sri Lanka Army, ICCQ, Circlex, SEC, Moonstone, VFOM Value Management Services. I think I have trained almost every cost consultants in Sri Lanka. And this is first CubiCost 5 training back in 2021. And this is physical training conducted by me in Oman with regards to this CubiCost 5 software. And these are company visits with Clausen officials. As you can see, this is Mr. Wataru Matsumoto. Okay, so he's vice president of Clausen, and he's previous president of Panasonic Thailand. Okay, and you can see uh, this one. Okay, this is another company visit. Okay, and physical training in China State UAE. Okay, this is another company visit, Gleeds. Okay, you can see Mr. Jonathan Robinson. He is the uh, director of GLEADS Middle East, and we have demonstrated our software for Dubai engineering aviation projects as well. Okay, they are the biggest client in UAE, and I have conducted training programs for Delieve UAE. Okay, so one of the best quantity surveying consultancy firm. Okay, in UAE. So there are more than 100 quantity surveys, and this is my QS software all-in-one batch, first batch. Okay, 110 students participated for this course, and previous course I had, I think, 170 students. Before that, 188, and for this time there are 250 registrations also. And this is final year beam module for KDU students. Okay, and this is my beam with Revit and Visworks course, and this is GLEADS staff training. Okay, you can search the name of GLEADS in internet. Okay, this is very old company. Okay, and some of these faces are familiar to you. And this is ACOM demonstration. Okay, ACOM UAE, ACOM also a very big international consultancy firm in UAE, and this is training for Carbon Group. Now they have become our client, and this is James Cubit in Abu Dhabi, and this is China Aviation. Okay, and you can see this is China State, and this is Dubai Contracting Company, one of the biggest contractor in UAE. They have purchased our software, and I conducted the training sessions for them. And this is China State Commercial Team. Okay, there are more than 200 quantity surveys in China State Commercial Team, and now they are planning to purchase our software for their commercial division. Their tendering division already using our software now. Their commercial division planning to purchase our software. That's why I need more CubiCost competent quantity surveyors for Middle East region. And this is one of our client, Mirage, one of the largest cost consultancy firm in UAE. Okay, they are the main cost consultant for MR projects. And this is Ministry of Defense Oman. Okay, so this is another milestone of my career. Okay, so if you are a Oman quantity surveyor, you know uh, about Ministry of Defense Oman. Okay, it is very hard to go there. Okay, but I trained all the military staffs with regards to this CubiCost 5D software. And this is Mr. Nazir. Okay, so he's director of Al-Lama. Mr. Ama is the president of Oman QS Association. Okay, so they are our reseller in Oman. And this is China Railway UAE. You can see a few of my previous students in this picture. So they have obtained job opportunities because of this CubiCost software. And this is Lance Sterling UAE. Okay, so I have helped 5 quantity surveys to obtain direct job opportunities in Land Sterling up to now. Okay, so they have a prominent client in UAE, and we have sponsored SLQS UAE for year 2024. Okay, so we are their main sponsor, and you can see the golden logo in their banner. And this is Dubai Holding. Okay, so we have given them complimentary CubiCost license. Okay, so they are recommending our software to their clients. Okay, so this is about me. Okay, and what we have done so far. Okay, so now up to now I have helped more than 10 quantity surveys to obtain job opportunities in UAE and Oman, and now uh, more than 14 companies, 13 or 14 companies using our software in UAE, and we need more CubiCost competent quantity surveyors for Middle East region, because we strongly believe that sooner or later this industry is fully adapted to this CubiCost 5D software, and as quantity surveyors we have to be ready for that. Okay, so if you have any question, you can use the chat box, or you can ask me directly. Okay, after the session. Okay, so between session you can use the chat box and send me messages. I will read your messages and I will answer. Okay, after the session. you can turn on your microphones and you can ask questions directly from me. Okay, so time is the most valuable thing in the world. I will quickly go to the software and I will explain you how to take off 2D quantities by using this software. Then after that, I will explain you how to uh, extract quantities from a reinforcement model. Okay, how to uh, extract MEP quantities by using this amazing software. Okay, so let's move to the next part of this demonstration. Okay, I will only take 1 hour from your valuable time. Okay, within 1 hour, I will complete this introductory session. Okay, after that, you can ask me any kind of question. Okay, so I will share my screen again. You can see this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, I will start a new project. Okay, I will start a new project. Okay, this time I will explain you about the 2D quantification. Okay, so you can compare the software with other 2D measurement software available in the world and you will see the difference. Okay, I will go with NRM2 again. Okay, so all the measurement rules available in this software, okay, embedded with this software, because we have the latest technology. Okay, we reinvest 40% of our profit for this software development, research and development. Okay, now I will quickly go to this drawing manager and I will import some drawings to this software. Okay, so yes, I will go to my desktop. Then I will select my drawings. Just give me a moment. Okay, please give me a moment. Okay, so extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so I will go to my local disk. Okay, so local disk D. Then I'll go to this folder and I have to go to this Glodden. Okay, so we have to find the standard training. Okay, so please give me one. Yes, standard training. Okay, under standard trainings, I can see the civil structural drawings. Okay, I will select these 3 drawings and import. And you can see these are some 2D drawings. Okay, so first I will go to this split drawing and I will separate this structural ground floor. Okay, if I click on this name, it will appear here. Then I will click OK. And this is my structure ground floor. Okay, so you can select one drawing from this drawing set and you can split it. And you can see that particular drawing separate like this. Then I will select a drawing from this architectural. Okay, I can just split this drawing. Right click. Then I can click on the drawing's name and I can separate it. Okay, I will do the same to this pile cap drawing as well. Okay, so this is amazing, right? You can click on the name and you can separate that drawing. Okay, so this is my structural ground floor drawing. Okay, now I will show you the elevations of this drawing. Okay, so this is the elevation and this is right elevation, and you can see this is rear elevation, and you can see this is our ground floor level. Okay, and the first floor, this is the ground floor and this is the first floor, and we have roof floor too. Okay, ground floor height is 4,000 meters, first floor height is 4,000 meters. Okay, so we know the heights of ground floor and first floor. Then after observing these details, we can enter these details in this floor setting. Okay, so I have foundation floor, ground floor, first floor, and I have a roof floor too. Okay, so this is my roof floor. Then my ground floor height is 4 meter, first floor height is 4 meter. Okay, then what is my ground elevation? Okay, my ground elevation is 83.4. Okay, so this is the finished floor elevation, ground floor level 83.4. I will go to this project settings and I will enter this 83.4 here, 83.4. Okay, now you can see I have entered all the details regards to floor heights and elevations. Okay, then this software is very intelligent. Okay, so you can select the concrete grade according to your preference. Okay, so you have to go to the specifications and you have to give the correct concrete grade. Okay, then you can extract material quantities according to the concrete grade. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then the concrete category, there are a lot of concrete categories: common concrete, lightweight, self-compacting, waterproof concrete, common concrete. Okay, there are plenty of concrete categories. Then the formwork type, you can select the formwork type as well. Then the mortar grade, mortar category, steel ratio. So you can give all the details regarding concrete elements in this bottom table. So after that, we can go to our drawings. Okay, we can go back to our drawings, then we can start our modeling. Okay, so this is very simple. So this is my ground floor structural drawing. I will go to axis, then I will go to this identify, pick axis, right click, pick label. First click on the circle, then the label, right click, then auto identify. Okay, so you can generate a separate axis grid line for your modeling. Okay, separate axis grid line, because we need these grid references with our quantities. Okay, so we can enhance that benefit through this CubiCost software. So after creating axis grid line, I have to align other drawings with this axis grid line. Okay, so this is very important. This is very important. We have to align. We have to align. Okay, because we are generating a 3D model, axis grid line A, axis grid line 9. Okay, so we have to align this drawing axis grid line with our pre-created axis grid line. Okay, now it is very simple. I will go to this structural drawing and I will start the modeling. Okay, I can go to this column, then I can click on pick sideline, then I can click on the column, right click, pick label. I can click on the label, right click, then I can click on auto identification. I can generate the columns within 1 second. Okay, after that I can quickly go to the quantities and click on calculate. I can proceed with the calculation and I can get all the quantities of these columns within couple of seconds. Volume, area of homework, numbers, weight of rebar, everything we can get within very short period of time. Okay, so if you have the AutoCAD drawing, this is possible. Okay, even if you have a vector PDF drawing, you can do this very easily. Okay, so after this I will show you how to generate walls. Okay, it is very simple. You can go to this architecture drawing. Okay, then you can go to this identify, pick masonry wall sideline. Okay, pick masonry wall sideline. You can click on the wall sideline, right click, then you have to pick doors and windows sidelines as well. Okay, first the doors, then the windows, then right click, auto identify. You can generate all the walls automatically on top of this 2D drawing, all the walls automatically. Okay, not only walls, but also you can generate doors and windows. You can see doors and windows table here. Okay, you can see doors and windows table here. The software is intelligent enough to identify every detail from this doors and windows table and import into the software. You can go to this wall opening and click on doors. Then you can use this auto identification feature to identify all the details. Right click. You can see D1, D2, D3. You can see all the dimensions. Then you can click identify. Okay, so you can import these doors and windows details into the software, then you can proceed with the modeling. Okay, so this is my ground floor drawing. Then I will go back to walls. Okay, then I will identify doors and windows label. Okay, pick doors and windows label, click on this label, right click, then auto identify. The software will generate all the doors and windows automatically. Okay, not only doors and windows, not only doors and windows, but also you can generate lintels automatically. You can go to lintel and you can click on rectangular lintel. Okay, then you can give the sectional height. Okay, sectional height I will give this as 200. Okay, then you can give the offsets I will give 200 and 200. Then I can go to this auto arrange feature and I can select this one and right click. I can generate all the lintels automatically. And this is the offset. This is the offset. Then I will generate all the beams. Okay, I can generate all the beams very easily. Press the sideline, right click, press the sideline, right click. Then the label, right click, then auto identify. Okay, you can generate all the beams automatically. Not only beams, you can generate slabs as well. Okay, if you have the slab label, within 2 clicks, you can generate all the slabs. Within 2 clicks, software is intelligent. And you can see, you can check the thickness. Okay, this is the slab. Slab thickness is 175. Okay, if you click on this slab, okay, slab thickness is 150. The software is intelligent enough to detect the thickness from the label and generate the 3D model. Okay, so this is the modern quantity surveying. This is the modern quantity surveying. In China, no need to click like this. Okay, if you import the 2D drawing, the software will generate all the quantities automatically by using AI technology. Okay, so we have the latest technology available in the world. Okay, and you can experience that modern technology through us. Okay, so we will give you software license for 3 months for free. Okay, and you can get hands-on experience of the software. Okay, so it is very valuable opportunity. Okay, so now I will show you how to do the finishes. Okay, it is very simple. If you have the finishing schedule, okay, you can directly import finishing elements through from this finishing schedule. Okay, I will show you how. If you go to this finishes and click on room, okay, so you can click on this finishing schedule and you can click on export, import file, Excel file, then you can click on this finishing schedule. Okay, so you can see all the data in this area. Okay, floor finishes, exterior wall, then horizontal waterproofing, vertical waterproofing, skirting height. Okay, everything you can see. Then the software is intelligent enough to identify every finishing detail and import into the software. Okay, I will explain this. You can see entrance. Okay, what is the floor finish for entrance? It is cementary. Exterior wall finishes is 20 millimeter thick plaster wall. Okay, then skirting. Okay, 150 by 300. What is the height? 150. And ceiling finishes. Okay, 20 millimeter thick plaster. Okay, for ceiling finishes and paint. Okay, so you can identify these data from this table and import into the software. Okay, then you have to go to enclosed area. Okay, so this is enclosed area and this is wet kitchen, and you can select wet kitchen from here. Okay, then you just need to click on this enclosed area and you can apply all the finishes for this enclosed area: skirting, wall finish, floor finish, ceiling finish, everything. Okay, see, ceiling finish, floor finish, wall finish, skirting. You can apply the finishes automatically if you go to utility and easily apply the finishes. Okay, let's say if you want to apply finishes for this dry kitchen area, you can use this separation line and you can separate this area like this, separate this area, and you can apply finishes separately. Okay, if you go to this dry kitchen and click on this enclosed area, you can apply finishes separately. Okay, this is the modern technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, this is how you extract 2D quantities from a 2D drawing. Okay, this is the modern way of quantity surveying. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Can you do the same thing using PDF drawings? Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Okay. If you have the vector PDF drawing, you can use auto identification feature and you can identify all the elements and generate the 3D model. Okay. Even if you have image, okay, 2D image, you can generate a 3D model on top of it. Okay, so this is like a combination of all other quantity surveying software available in the world. If I go to this custom quantity, okay, I can do manual counting. See, I can do manual counting like this. See, manual count I can do. Then if I want to extract the length, okay, I can just go ahead and click on this line and right click, then I can calculate the length. Okay, if I want to calculate the area manually, okay, I can go to this area and right click on this area and click OK. Okay, I can extract the area as well. Okay, like this you can do manual quantification, you can do auto quantification, and you can do many more things. Okay, so this is the most advanced quantity surveying software available for quantity surveys. Okay, this is the most advanced part one. Okay, see, very simple. You can calculate the quantity of this enclosed area. Just need to right click and click OK. You can generate the quantity. After that you can adjust like this. See, this is the beauty of modern quantity surveying. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, what do you mean by AI measure feature? Okay, AI measure is our next big thing. Okay, if you use this AI measure, okay, software will identify the lines by using AI tools. Okay, then software will help you to measure the area. Okay, so this is very advanced feature, and software will learn from your drawing. Okay, I think you might have heard about machine learning. Software will learn from your drawings. Okay, then uh, those learnings, okay, will you can use those learning for your future measurements. Okay, it's very advanced. Okay, so actually, China have much more advanced AI measure tool. Okay, you just need to import the drawing to the software. AI will measure everything and provide you the quantity report. Okay, but uh, global version still have some limitations. Okay, but within couple of years we will release the full AI software to the market. And as quantity surveyors, we have to adapt to this new technology. Okay, otherwise it will be hard for us to survive in the market. Now I will explain a little bit about the Glodden company and validity of this certificate. Okay. Uh, Glodden is very big company, multi-billion company. Okay. And we care about efficiency, cost management, quality control, and sustainability. And you can see our digital twine. Okay. So we have to work with virtual buildings. Okay, so we have to generate virtual buildings, and we have to extract information from those virtual buildings, and we have to use those information for the betterment of our physical building. Okay, I will explain these things in detail in our course. And data management is very important in construction industry. Okay, building information modeling is the best way for data management. Okay, and I will uh, give you few insights. Okay, so soon now I think most of you are young quantity surveyors. Okay, but after 10-20 years, okay, you will become quantity surveying managers. Okay, and you have to face these kind of challenges. No one wants their work to be transparent. Okay, so this is a common issue in construction industry. No one want to be transparent. Every most of um, people trying to uh, do fraudulent work. Okay, no one wants to take the initiative to learn new technologies and software. Okay, so this is the common nature. After you become the manager, you will see this. Okay, your subordinates. Okay, or your uh, co-workers, okay, they don't want to take the risk and learn new technologies. Okay, the people work under you. Okay, they don't want to take initiatives and learn new technologies. They're reluctant to do it. That is human nature. No one wants to their experience to be devalued. Okay, recently I have attended to one seminar. Okay, the speaker told the audience directly, okay, if you are not ready to adapt to new technologies, you are free to retire. Okay, industry is evolving rapidly. As quantity surveys, we have to uh, match with these industrial evolution. Okay, then no one wants to be replaced by artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is the human nature. Okay, how to face these challenges. Okay, so we need to deep integration of technologies and management tactics to face these challenges. Okay, so as young quantity surveyors, you have to put these thoughts in your mind. Then the Glodden Company. We have 26 years of experience. We have completed more than 6 million construction projects, and we have 10 million end users, and we have 370,000 corporate customers. This is very, very big company. Okay, so we have acquired many building information modeling software from UK, Sweden, Finland. Okay, most of European building information modeling software, now running under cloud name. Okay, so we have 8 research and development centers: United States, Finland, Poland, Sweden, and we can you can see some research and development centers are in China also. Okay, and you can see the Beijing, Shanghai, Xi'an, and Guangzhou uh, buildings. Okay, research and development centers, and we have more than 10,000 employees, and this is very big company. Okay, and we have construction industry specific parts with proprietary intellectual property rights. Okay, so we have a lot of patent rights, okay, for software development, and we have the most advanced, okay, proprietary 3D graphic and design platforms available in the world, and our software rich with AI applications. Okay, and you can see some graphic platforms in this picture, and our we have more than 130 softwares. We have design softwares, we have cost management software, we have digital software, we have 5D BIM software, smart site management software, facility management software. Okay, and now I'm going to present to you this CubiCost 5D BIM software. Okay, so this is under cost management, and we started our AI journey from machine learning. Okay, then we moved into deep learning, then generative AI, then we established Innovation Institute, AI Innovation Institute, back in 2024. And we have more than 130 module products. Okay. And we want to become the super brain of the construction industry. And Glodden is very big company. Okay, you can see our income is 854 US million dollars. Okay, we have acquired 22% of market share in Chinese construction software market. Okay, Autodesk, PMS, Bentley, and all other competitors behind us. And you can see um, the overall market is 3.8 billion US dollars. Okay, and we have acquired, I think, 1/4 of this market. And you can see why 5D BIM digital transformation. Okay, so we have to get the data from single source. Okay, so data management is very crucial. Okay, most of the software they use 2D logic. Okay, so we have introduced this 3D logic for quantity surveying. So if you create this 3D model, you can extract quantity and you can generate quantity reports very easily, and you can have those quantities in one platform. Okay, so it is very uh, important. Okay, and this is one focus integrated solution, and you can enhance the team collaboration and common data center management, and the software is embedded with the measurement rules, and you can generate a smart reporting as you witnessed earlier. And you can import 2D drawing, building information model. Okay, you can import PDF drawing, vector PDF, then images. Okay, then we have these tools, uh, auto identification tools, and you can generate a 3D model on top of these 2D drawings. And first, software will read the drawing, then software will generate the cost model, then generate all the reports. Okay, so we have TES, TBQ, TRB, and TME. Okay, so TES for structural and architectural, TBQ for cost management, TRB for enforcement, TME for MEP. Okay, so traditional method. Okay, 20, 30 years ago, we use these 2D manual drawings for quantity extraction. Okay, and after few years, we adapted to this AutoCAD plus Excel. It's still very inefficient. Nowadays, we are using this building information modeling for cost management. It is like a smartphone. CubiCost is the most pioneer software for these 3D measurements. Okay, so I will discuss all these things in detail during our course. Okay, and these are our clients. You can see many clients from all over the world. Okay, and these clients are from UAE. Okay, Sri Lanka also we have a lot of clients. Okay, ICC is our most prominent client in Sri Lanka. Okay, during this financial crisis, okay, all other contractors collapsed. Okay, Marga Engineering, uh, Sunken, then Tudave Brothers, all major contractors collapsed. Okay, but ICC survived. Okay, so and also they expand their business to Saudi Arabia as well. Okay, what is the reason? CubiCost is the reason. Okay, they have implemented CubiCost software back in 2019. Okay, then they have completed more than 100 projects by using this CubiCost software. They survived in Sri Lankan construction market. Okay, these are some testimonials. Okay, and after completing this course, you will get this industry recognized BIM certification. Okay, so our software aggregated by RICS. Okay, so this is a valuable certificate for you. Okay, and uh, you can call you as 5D BIM quantity surveyor after getting this certificate. Okay, so uh, now if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Okay. Now enough of boring slides. Okay, I will go back to my software again. Now I'm going to show you another magic. Okay, this is how we extract reinforcement quantities. Okay, so this software is intelligent enough to generate bar schedules automatically. Okay, so you will surprised after seeing this feature. Okay, you'll be surprised. Okay, so this is our TRB software. I will share my screen, then I will show you how to extract reinforcement quantities by using this amazing software. Okay, so this is the modern quantity survey. Can we measure the earthwork using the software? Yes, of course, my dear. We can extract the earthwork quantities by using this amazing software. I will show you how. I can go to this foundation flow. Then I can go to this pile cap drawing. Okay, I will go to this foundation and I will click on pile cap. First, I have to go to this identify pick sideline. I will click on this sideline, right click, pick label. I will click on this label, right click and auto identify. I can generate all the pile caps. Okay. Then I have to generate the column neck as well. Okay. I will go to this column and I will click on this pick sideline and I will click on this uh, label, right click, pick label, right click, then auto identify. Okay. I have generated the column neck. Then I have to generate the screed as well. I will quickly go to foundation again. Then I will click on blindings. Okay, then I will click on plus and I will click on blindings. And I will give the thickness for this blinding. Then I will click on this one and pile cap. Then I will give the offset as 50. Okay, so you can generate the blinding as well. Okay, so this is the blinding and this is the offset. You can change the offset whenever you want. Then after that, my dear, you asked me about the earthwork. Okay, so it is very simple. You just need to go to draw and click on auto generate excavation. Okay, if you want, you can give the working space and you can click OK. The software is intelligent enough to generate the earthworks automatically. Okay, so I will show you the 3D model. Okay, so our ground elevation is 83.4. The ground elevation is 83.4. Okay, then I will generate this earthwork support. Sorry, this again, not the earthwork support, this is excavation. Okay, like this, we can generate the excavation automatically with the offset. 83.4. Enter. Wait a second. Okay, under the project information, we have to give the height correctly. Then we have to proceed with this. Please give me a moment. Landings, generate excavation, click OK. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, like this, we can generate the excavation. Okay, after generating the excavation, we can check our quantities as well. Then you can get all the earthwork quantities. Okay, see pit excavation quantity. Okay, all the volumes you can see, and you can reversely check with the model as well. See, you can see the locations as well. See, you can see the locations. Then you can check other quantities as well. Pit excavation. Then see volume of excavation, soil backfill, disposal. Okay, you can see all the earthwork quantities. Okay, I think you have got a clear answer for your question. Yes. Makuhena. You have got clear answer, right? IFCL learn CubiCost today. How will use the software to work if not purchase it? Is there any free software installation options for practice? Yes. What is the course fee for this course? It is 30,000 30,000 Sri Lankan rupees or 100 US dollars, which is the most advanced software with the cost of CubiCost. It is definitely CubiCost. Okay. 2 years ago, we planned to purchase Costex software. Okay, so if you can check the net worth of Costex and CubiCost. CubiCost net worth is very high. Okay, we have acquired a lot of software from Europe. Okay, recently we have purchased Magicat. Okay, you can search in the internet. Okay, it is the most advanced MEP design software available in Europe. Okay, we acquired that particular software, and we tried to purchase Costex also. Okay, but if you have used Costex, 2010 Costex is similar to 2024 Costex. Okay, they haven't invested for software development. Okay, they are using the same logic. Okay, and we realized that it is worthless, and we didn't purchase Costex software. I will explain to you about our TRB software. This is our reinforcement modeling software. Okay, this will be a fascinating experience for you. Okay, so I will start a new project. Okay, and I will select the measurement rule as British standards, and I will click confirm and click yes. Okay, then I will show you a little magic. Okay, and you can see this is a 3D model I have done by using this CubiCost 5D View software. Okay, so this is the 3D model we have generated now, right? Okay, we have generated the 3D model, something similar to this. Okay, I will open one. Okay, so this is the 3D model we have generated. Okay, now I will go and I will save this. Okay, I will go to this export Revit model. Okay, export model by flow, and I will export this model and I save it in my desktop. Okay, then I will go to TRP software and I will go to BIM model and import model. Then I will click on this fold icon. Then I will select this project and click on open. Okay, and I'll click on start and next step. Okay, so this is interoperable model generation. I opened my TES model from this TRB software. Okay, now I'm going to inject reinforcement information for this model. I will go to column. Okay, then I will go to this identify and click on drawing manager, and I will click on add, and I will import some drawings to this software. Okay, again I have to find this one, the standard draw. Yeah, standard training, then civil and architectural drawings. Okay, I will select these 6 or 7 drawings. Okay, I can see the column detail. So this is my reinforcement information for the columns. Okay, you can see C1 column. Okay, 6016 is the main bar information. Link information is R6 at 175, and we have one hook. Okay, for this C1 column. I will double click on this C1 column and I will enter all the reinforcement information. 6016. Okay, links R6 at 175. Okay, then you can see legs 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay, I can see one hook here. Okay, so after giving this reinforcement information, I can see the model. Okay, I can see the model. I will go to quantity. And I will proceed with the quantification. After proceeding with the quantification, I can see the 3D visualization of the reinforcement arrangement. Okay, 3D visualization. This is very crucial. Okay, I can select the column and I can see the 3D visualization of the reinforcement arrangement. I can isolate the column. I can see it separately. Okay, 3D visualization. All the main bars, all the links. Okay, you can see as a 3D. Okay, not only this, but also you can generate the bar schedule automatically. Print elementary bar schedule. You can see all the bar shapes, cutoff length, okay, total numbers, total weight, all the remarks. Okay, so this is modern quantity surveying. Okay, not only this, there are a lot of similar columns. Okay, there are a lot of similar columns. You can see there are a lot of similar columns. C3, C4, C6, C10, C11. Okay, these columns are similar to C1. Okay, so you can synchronize these reinforcement information with those similar columns. So this is the beauty of quantity surveying. Okay, C3, C4, C6, C10, C11, C15, C17, C20. Okay, C20, 21, C21. Okay, extremely sorry. C23, C25, C26. Okay, we can synchronize reinforcement information. Okay, see the beauty of CubiCost software. Okay, if you adapt to this software, okay, you will be unstoppable. Okay, you can just select these columns. And you can see the 3D visualization. Okay, after calculation. Okay, you can calculate first, then you can see the 3D visualization. Okay, and you can identify those synchronized columns. See, this is the beauty. And you can see the bar schedule as well. Okay, so this is the beauty of CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so this is the reinforcement software. Okay, I will show you about our MEP software, TME. This is the MEP solution. Okay, I will quickly explain about how
Small
this.
doubt, Terina.
Yes.
Is there
Yeah.
any particular options to feed the information like bar dia and the links and all? Is there any automatic option to feed? What do you do?
From drawing. So if you have the bar schedule, if you have the schedule, you can scan the schedule and you can import the information automatically.
Oh, it works in that way. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you very much for your correction. Okay, so this is the TME software. Okay, so I will go to new. Okay, then I will click OK. Okay, I will open HVAC drawing, then I will explain. Okay, I will go here and I will find my drawings again. Then I will go to this HVAC drawing and I will import. Okay, so this is HVAC drawing. Okay, I want to measure the ducts. Okay, so there are a few options. I will go to air conditioning and mechanical ventilation. Okay, then I will click on this air ducts. Okay, first I will show you the first method. Okay, so it is very simple. You can use this double line feature. Okay, if you click on the double line, rectangular air duct, double line. Okay, first you have to click on this line, then the disc, then the second line. So let's measure this one. Okay, this line. Here 350 with 350 and height 250. Okay, so you can use the double line, click on this line, then you can get the duct. Okay, so if you want to generate this one, okay, this is 400. Okay, you can click on 400 and 250. Okay, then click on this line, you can generate. Okay, so this is the manual way. Okay, so this software is very intelligent. Okay, why we use this manual way? Okay, no need to use this manual way. If you go to this duct system identification, okay, you can do like this: 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, right click, and 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, right click. Then you can click OK. Then you can generate this duct system automatically. Okay, so no need to use this double line feature. Okay, then you can go to this duct fittings identification and select the drawing, right click. Then you can generate all the fittings as well. Okay, if you want to calculate these air grills, okay, so you can isolate all other elements. Okay, you can use select by layer. You can isolate these air grills like this. Then you can measure separately. Okay, air grill. Then you can go to this device and pick device, select this air grill, right click, identify. Okay, so you can use these new technologies to generate these quantities. Okay, so after identifying, you can turn off the light. You can see the measured items separately. So this is the TME software. This is a glimpse of TME software. This is much more advanced. We have electrical, fire services, and many more features under this TME software. This is also very advanced software available in the market. So what are the system requirement for using this software? 4 GB RAM would be enough. Okay, you have to have more than 5 GB disk space. We will get the slides of this presentation at the end of this session. Yes, of course, you will get the slide of this presentation. Okay, so now I want to give you some insights. Okay, as quantity surveying professionals. Okay, why we need to learn these digital solutions. Okay, I will give some insights. Okay, this will be very valuable. This knowledge might transform your life into another path. Okay, so please listen carefully. This is the most important part of this session. Be prepared for future challenges. As I mentioned earlier, industry is slowly and solidly moving towards building information modeling. We have to be prepared. Go abroad for your profession. Okay, now Eid season has ended. Again, people can apply for job opportunities in Middle East region. If you have plans, if you are a young quantity surveyor, and if you have planned for Middle East region, okay, so this is you have to learn building information modeling and CubiCost. Then APC interviews. Okay, these days, a lot of people doing RICS, AIQS, and IQSSL, APC. So now uh, these interviewers will ask you about questions regarding building information modeling. Okay, it is very important you to get familiar with building information modeling in order to prepare for these APC interviews. Then to start new business. So this is the main thing. Okay, if you want to enhance the freedom of your life, you have to start your own business. You have to stop work for others. In order to start a new business, you have to find a market void. Okay, digital quantity surveying, 5D beam quantity surveying is the market void. Okay, less number of companies touched this market. Okay, most of the QS consultants rely on 2D measurements. If you are planning to start a new business venture, you have to go with 5D beam. Then go abroad for higher education. Okay, most of the times people do project management MSc programs. Okay, but there will be higher demand for building information modeling managers in future. Therefore, please study BIM for your MSc degree. And you can see future of quantity surveyors. Okay, see, this is metaverse. Okay, Facebook company will introduce this metaverse very soon. Okay, you have to become a character in this metaverse. Okay, instead of Facebook, you will use this metaverse. This is virtual reality. Okay, so this world moving towards new technologies. Okay, and building construction industry also moving towards new technologies. You can see the line project in Saudi. They will definitely use building information modeling for their construction. Okay, so we have to be prepared. This is the ring project, upcoming project in UAE. They will definitely use building information modeling. And building information modeling is very popular in Australia. A lot of my students got job opportunities in Brisbane because of this Olympic. Okay, be prepared for that. And this is the port city, future port city project in Sri Lanka. They have stopped the construction after the crisis. Okay, if they restart the construction, I will go back to Sri Lanka and work as a quantity surveyor for this project. Then if you want to become successful person, you have to practice meditation. Okay, so you have to take care of your mind. You have to study mindfulness and you have to think out of the box. Okay, don't rely on traditional practices. Okay, learn AI, learn new technologies, think out of the box. Then engage with new technologies, learn coding, learn new technologies. You can see in this picture, this is building management systems, and we have plenty of software available in the world. Try to learn them. Then if you want to earn extra money, you have a lot of platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Okay, I had a student in Oman, Mr. Sampath Lakand. He has earned more than $20,000 by using Freelancer software from Freelancer. Okay, so There are plenty of opportunities available in the world for freelance quantity surveyors. And if you want to obtain better job opportunities, you have to maintain a proper LinkedIn profile. If you want to improve your communication skills, you have to go for Toastmasters Club. And preparing attractive CV is also very important in order to get a good job opportunity. Okay, then I will show you some success stories. Okay, recently I met Mr. Duminda Disanaika. Okay, they purchased our software and I trained their staff as well. Okay, he's the founder of XCOM. Okay, they started company, I think 8 or 7 years ago. Okay, now they have more than 200 quantity surveyors. Okay, he's still very young. And this is our beloved CEO, Mr. Utpal Jayavira. Okay, he is very good friend of mine and we went to the same school. Okay, fabulous guy. They have started new business. And Econ, this is another big company. Okay, booming company. Nuan Buddhika, he is the CEO. Very young, still young. Okay, but they have done a great job. And Gael Group started Halford. Okay, so these are the success stories. And I want you to become Duminder, Utpala, Luan, or Gael. Okay, you have to start your own practice in order to enhance the freedom of your life. And you can see Burj Being Guardian. This is another upcoming project in Dubai. Abu Dhabi airport expansion. Okay, this is another building in Abu Dhabi. Guggenheim and Etihad Railway project and Al Maktoum Airport, 35 billion US dollars. Okay, so there are plenty of opportunities for quantity surveyors in future. Okay, so I have to learn new technologies and we have to be prepared for these future challenges. Okay, and if you are a young quantity surveyor, please put a yes message in the chat box. Okay, if your age is less than 28, please put a yes message in the chat box. I want to identify some young talents from this group. All are above 28. Yes, Akram. Okay, so I can see some names. Okay, some young quantity surveyors. Okay, I will show you some evidences of life transformations. Okay, so this is one of my student, Eshan Nakalanka. Okay, and recently he sent me a message. See, he got the license recently. Okay, and Ayanisatama and that means in English. So I brought him here. Okay, so he was just an undergraduate in Sri Lankan University. Okay, I brought him here before even he got his degree certificate. Okay, he brought a new car recently. Okay, and he sent me a message. And recently also I have given him a freelance project. Okay, 34 building for 3,580. Okay, this is our relationship. And I can show you another name. Akila, he came last month. Okay, China Railway, where they had employment visa over then. Okay, so these are the testimonials. And I will show you another testimonial, recent testimonial, Fahnas. Okay, and he's from our previous batch. Okay, you can see this is Fahnas. He's from our 21 batch. Okay, this is 22 batch. Okay, I'm in Dubai now. Today I joined to work for Land Sterling. Thank you, sir, for forwarding my CV and giving me wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much, sir. So these are some testimonials, real-time testimonials. Okay, so If you have any question, please feel free to ask. I want to have some creative, hardworking 5D beam quantity surveyors for Middle East region. Okay, so actually China Railway asked me for 5 quantity surveys recently. Okay, they will need more. Okay, because they are planning to implement CubiCost for their post-contract division. There are more than 140 quantity surveys in their post-contract division. At least they need additional 20 quantity surveys after they implement CubiCost. There are plenty of opportunities. Okay, that's why I want to have some young and talented people for this course. Okay, and I will give you some advanced training. Okay, because my objective is to forward some CVs of some talented individuals from my courses. Okay, yeah, that's my target. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask now. Okay, guys, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. You can ask.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes, Jamara, please go ahead. And you can ask the question
Sir.
in Sinhala as well. No problem.
Okay, sir. සර් දැන් අපි ලෙක්චර් පටන් ගත්තට පස්සේ අපිට රෙකෝඩින්ග්ස් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? ඒ කියන්නේ ලෙක්චර්ස් වල
Oh,
සිස්ටම් එක දානවද?
yes. Oh, man. I will repeat his question in English as well. He's asking whether we can get the recordings of these sessions. Yes, I will provide you lecture recordings and the pre-recorded videos, and I will give you the access for our online training platform as well. If you miss any session, okay, you can go to the lecture recording, pre-recorded video, and you can go through the online training platform as well. Thank you very much for your question.
Okay.
And if
Thanks,
you
sir.
need any additional notes or anything, I will provide. Okay, my only objective is to train you, okay, at the fullest level. Yeah. This month of May, we will go to Sri Lanka and we will spend 10 days in XCOM. They have purchased, I think, more than 120 Fostex license. Okay, and but they are very interested to implement CubiCost in their company. So we will go back to Sri Lanka in month of May, and we will spend 10 days with their quantity serving team, and let's see the result.
I have a question. For practice ourselves, will you provide any online access to use the software?
Yes,
Cubic software.
yeah.
So
We will give
how
you,
long it will be?
we will give you 3 months. Okay, and this is very expensive software. Okay, actually, our CubiCost DIO version price is around 6,000 US dollars, but we will give it for free for 3 months. Okay, to practice, and after that, okay, if you need to refresh your memory, okay, so we can allocate 1 month license time to time.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Guys, if you shy to ask questions, use the chat box, okay? I will not mention your name, okay?
I was honored to attend this session actually, Tilve. So
yes.
as you showed the individual photos for some of the person who already achieved some target and all from the Middle
Yeah.
East. And I'm pretty sure that you will be the one of the person who will become as also.
Yeah.
Entirely. And I'm very proud to say that I'm Sri Lankan. So you are one of the, huge and young talent. It's a remarkable thing that I already, we can say that even as a is my motherland. So I'm feel so proud, and I feel great to be in this session because there is so much things we can going to learn for sure, and looking forward to the future of having the most of the digitalized softwares and all.
Yeah,
Like I do think so.
we
It was
can
really,
do something collaboratively.
yeah.
So Mr. Mohammed is one of my students from previous batch, and we'll do something collaboratively. Okay, because uh, after the course, okay, so we will stay in touch. Okay, so um, actually, this will be a long-term relationship between uh, you and me. Okay, so because my objective is transform uh, Sri Lankan and other quantity surveys towards building information modeling. Okay, because now industry. So this is the moment. Now industry is slowly and solidly moving towards the building information modeling. Okay, so we are in the transformation period. Okay, if we don't learn building information modeling, it will be a great disadvantage for us. Okay, because we are in the transformation period. Okay, let's say industry adapted to AutoCAD plus Excel from the physical drawings. Okay, and some quantity surveys face that transformation period. Okay, but somehow they survived. Okay, but I can see some lack of knowledge among quantity surveys regarding building information and building information modeling. Okay, as an individual, I'll try my best to fill that gap.
Definitely
Okay.
sure, definitely sure, definitely sure.
Yeah,
Thanks. I appreciate it.
and I want to motivate you as well. Okay, because in this September I will go UK and I will do my master's in building information modeling, and then I want few quantity surveyors to follow me. Okay, and they will become an impact to the QBIS community. Okay, because as Asian quantity surveyors, I think most of us from Asia and African region, uh, we have uh, to adapt to these new technologies in order to, for our survival. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. No questions? Okay, guys. Actually, we had a wonderful session. Okay, thank you very much for your kind participation. And I will share the recordings and lecture notes as well. Okay, so hopefully I can bring another 10 quantity surveys within a few months to UAE. I will try my best for that because uh, if I give opportunity for young quantity surveyor, okay, so it will affect his family, okay, and uh, their education also, okay, so it is a very good thing to do. Therefore, I will try my best to give more opportunities for my students and other quantity surveys. Uh, can I know the duration of this course? 1.5 months. Um, okay, guys. So thank you very much again for your kind participation. Have a wonderful week ahead. Have a wonderful life. Okay, and we will do the next session. I will tell you the exact date. Okay, so uh, because few students are still requesting time for their payment. Okay, so thanks again for your kind participation. Good night. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye.